Today we eat a simple and very tasty dish, an onion omelette. The ingredients we need are onion, eggs, parsley, grated bread, and a raguzan cheese called here cacio raguzano, oil, and pepper. Let's prepare this dish. Let's cut into not little bites. Let's put the onion in the frying pan. Some oil of first quality olive. Let's cook it. Let's add a pinch of salt in the frying pan. A bit of black pepper. As soon as the onion is becoming appeased slightly, let's put everything into the plate. Now let's add a pinch of minced parsley, grated bread, and an egg. Let's mix everything very well. Let's fry the omelette with some oil of first quality olive. The oil in the frying pan must be very hot, and when the oil is hot, let's pour the omelette in the frying pan. Let's crush it slightly. Let's fry it about some minutes. Let's be careful the omelette doesn't stick to the frying pan. Let's turn the omelette using a plate. The omelette is cooked. Let's serve it. Let's put the omelette in the plate. Let's add a leaf of sweet basil.
Andiamo a friggere la nostra frittata. Olio extravergine di oliva. Aspettiamo che la padella sia ben calda. Non appena la padella è ben calda, andiamo a versare il nostro composto di cipolla. Diamo una schiacciatina. Qualche minuto cerchiamo di non la fare attaccare. Andiamo a girare con un piatto la nostra frittarina. Già è pronto. Andiamo a servire. Stendiamo la nostra frittarina nel piatto. Bagniamo con le foglie di basilico. Buon appetito!